Hello, this is Carlo. Carlo is a clinical monitor who's responsible for verifying critical clinical study data at study sites. Apart from this, Carlo is also in charge of taking care of the paperwork of the investigators that are kept in the investigator site files. Nearly all investigators hate paperwork because they also have a responsibility to take care of their patients. Therefore, they do not keep the investigator site files up to date. This leaves Carlo extremely busy, as he usually has very little time for verifying important study data and reviewing the regulatory compliance in the investigator site files. He always feels the dilemma of either neglecting the study data, which might have an impact on data quality, data integrity, or even on patient safety and rights, or on the completeness of the essential documents to ensure inspection readiness. After many years of stress due to this dilemma, Carlo is glad that this issue was resolved with a simple implementation of an electronic investigator site file. With an electronic investigator site file, 95 to 97% of all documents are maintained centrally by Carlo's colleagues who are mainly in charge of document management. Carlo now just needs to review 3 to 5% of the essential documents which cannot be maintained electronically due to data protection reasons. Now Carlo is able to really focus on study data, and he can fulfill what's expected from him as a clinical monitor, which is a win-win for everybody. Firstly, the investigator, because now he's finally able to focus on protecting and taking care of his patients, and for his hospital team, a huge decrease in paperwork means the site needs less space for archiving. Secondly, the sponsor, as Carlo, can now work more cost-effectively, and at the same time, the study data quality is increasing. When will you transition from paper to an electronic investigator site file?